Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly to Mailchimp and automatically add contacts. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to capture everyone who books a meeting with you through Calendly and seamlessly add them to your Mailchimp email lists, helping you build your audience effortlessly. Let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the Mailchimp homepage, look for the login button and click it. You'll be prompted to enter your account credentials, so go ahead and type in your email and password to access your Mailchimp dashboard. After logging in, direct your attention to the left navigation panel where you'll find various menu options. Click on Integrations. This section is where Mailchimp houses all the third-party apps and tools you can connect to enhance your email marketing capabilities. You'll now be directed to your app integration page, which displays all available integrations. From here, scroll down through the list of apps and software that you can add and integrate with your Mailchimp account. To save time, look at the top part of the page where you'll see a search bar. Type in Calendly into this search field. From the search results that appear, click on Calendly. This will take you to the dedicated integration page for this specific tool. Upon clicking, you'll be directed to the app overview page. Take a moment to scroll down and read through the app features and benefits of integrating Calendly with Mailchimp. This information will help you understand exactly how the integration works and what you can accomplish with it. Once you've reviewed everything and feel comfortable proceeding, click on Connect Now. You'll then be directed to the Calendly page where you can dive deeper into the integration details. Read through the integration info carefully as this page previews the various ways you can use Calendly within your Mailchimp account. Pay special attention to the account requirements section to ensure you meet all necessary criteria. Once you've gone through everything, click on Connect Mailchimp. At this point, you'll be required to log in with your Calendly account and authorize this integration. Enter your Calendly credentials when prompted and follow the authorization steps to grant Mailchimp permission to access your Calendly data. This step is essential as it establishes the secure connection between both platforms. And that's it. You've successfully connected Calendly to Mailchimp, and now every contact who schedules a meeting with you will automatically be added to your email lists. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.